Hello everyone, how are you today? Today I will show you how to install Laravel 8 with adminLTE. So let's start together. So this is the thing that we need to do. So I have listed down 6 things. The first one, we need to install Composer, and the second one is XAMPP, and the third one need to install VS Code, and the fourth one we download adminLTE, and the fifth one we install Laravel 8, and the last step we will integrating adminLTE with Laravel 8. So I will show you how to download all of these things first. So let's check out together. So I open my web browser. So I use Google Chrome. You can use another web browser, but for me Google Chrome is the best one for me. So Composer, you can type Composer, or you can use the link that I list down and follow this link. And Composer, why we use Composer? Composer, it is the dependency manager for PHP. We use it to communicate, or we use the command line to create the controller model, or we can use insert, update, delete, group operation, and other thing. So yes, it is very important to work with PHP in Laravel. So you can download it and click this one. This is the last one, last version 2.0.12. So we download it. And another one is XAMPP. XAMPP is yes, you can click download it. For me, for me I use Windows, so I click this link, and this is the PHP version 8.0.3. It's the last version. And same, it is the Apache service that we can hosting our PHP web browser. If you use a Linux, you can click this link, or OS. For me, I use this one. And another one is VS Code. It is the tool that we use to edit or writing the PHP code or Laravel code. So I use Windows, so I click download this link. And another one, for we download adminLTE, so you can click this link. You can type or follow the link in the description in adminLTE, and then go to this link, click download. Yes, adminLTE is a great one, great template. This is the last version, have built with a lot of professional web designer. Click this link. Yes, download it and find install Laravel. Okay, so let's check it out, the link that we download. In my computer I install all those things already, so I just show you how to get it. You can install it one by one. For Composer, you can right click, install it as administrator, and follow the step next after finish. VS Code also Yes, also in adminLTE you need to extract it. Yeah, extract this one. In XAMPP also you can click run as administrator to install it as the after that finish successful, and then you can check it out. In my computer I installed it already, so I open my XAMPP. I click start the service, MySQL and Apache. This is the we use XAMPP to hosting our web PHP web service. Okay, and fifth step, we install Laravel 8. Okay, after we finish all of the four things, we can check the instruction. This is how to install Laravel 8. You can go to the browser to check it, how to install it. Also you can type Laravel installation installer. Yes, you can follow this link. I also put the link in the browser in my PDS my PowerPoint. So let's check it out how to. You can read if you have the time, but I just show you the main thing that we use. This one, installation by composer. So in order to install Laravel 8, so we need to use a composer, or you can use another dependency manager, but for me it is I use a composer. So we can follow this command line: create project Laravel / Laravel, and then example app name. This is the project name. After you install, you go to this project folder, and this one the command to run your website. So I just want to show you a little bit. So for me, in order to install my Laravel project, I go to this directory c/sam80doc. So you can install in other directory as you want, but for me I like to use this one and follow this command line. Use a composer, create project Laravel / Laravel, and my project name WebView Khmer. So I will create project called WebView Khmer and go to this folder, and I open it with VS Code, and then I open terminal to run this project to make sure it is working. So okay, I will check it how to. Okay, first I use PowerShell to install PHP Laravel. So I open it, and then I cd to C drive. Oh, sorry, forward slash, and then I go to XAMPP. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong spelling. XAMPP and cd to at doc. Oh my god, yes, cleared out. And this one I use composer, the command line. This one, composer, create project Laravel. Can copy it. Okay, pass it out. Just change the name. I use web view command and click enter. So this command line, it will create Laravel project, Laravel 8 with your uh, command line. So please wait until it finishes to download the package. So it is good to use Composer because we can communicate, to create, to update, to do something with PHP in Laravel. So it's amazing to work with. So just wait it until finish, and this is the link. I will close this out. This VS Code is a powerful tool used to work with PHP or HTML, CS, and other language. It's a lightweight. I close it out. This adminLTE. Close it out. Okay, I just show you the link how to download it. You can work it, and waiting until it finishes. This is, we use this command line, and after it finishes, we will type cd web view command. Okay, after it finishes, it will show the message application key set successfully. So, and then I clear the screen it out. I just cd to my project folder, web view command, and then I use this command line to open my project with VS Code. You can type code and dot sign, and then it will open the project that you have installed it. This is the Laravel 8. So you can open, then you open with VS Code, then open terminal. Okay, you can open it, this terminal, new terminal, this one. You can use a shortcut key, Control Shift, and design. So I just test it out how it is work or not. I use PHP artisan. So okay, and then enter. So it will start the project, start the web, our web. So just copy the link and open it in browser. So this is the Laravel project. When you install it successfully, it can run like this. So this is the version of your Laravel, and this is the version of your PHP. So next, okay, we install it, finish. Now the next thing is we integrate the adminLTE with Laravel. So we go to our downloaded template. This is the template that we have downloaded, so I extract it. So let's check it out, the template a little bit. So you can open the index. Yeah, it's a very cool template. You can see this one, this adminLTE. They have the dashboard. You can, all of this it's the template that we integrated. So it's very nice template. I love this one. They have a lot of stuff that we can work with. Okay, and then we need to use the template that we use is static template. It's the easy one. We will use this one to integrate with our PHP Laravel edge. So I will open this one in my text editor notepad, this one. Then we go to our project. You can check it out in the public folder. So the thing that we need to do is we go to our directory that we install. So I install in C drive, XAMPP, htdoc, and this one, our project folder. And we go to web dev command and we find the public folder. We need to create one folder called vendor. Okay, and then we copy the CF file from this folder. This one, it have the CS file and JS file template from adminLTE and plugin. We need to copy this folder, so we copy it and then we go to the folder that we have created and pass it out. I pass it out and waiting after it finishes. We pass it out in here so we can see. This is the template, the CS file, JS file, or other plugin that we need to integrate it. So after it finishes, we need to create. We go to resource. This is the stuff that we have copied. So go to resource. Okay, I close it out. Go to resource, view, and we create another folder called layout. Okay, and we create one file, index.blend.php. This is the stuff, and we just change the in root folder. We go to web.php and change it to index. So our root folder, our root is index file, not welcome.php anymore. So I can test it out. Use it one. It just welcome to web dev command. Okay, save it, and then we can check in browser. I close it up and refresh the page. You can click F5. Here we go. Now our root directory we point to index. So the thing that we do is we copy the static template, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+A, and Ctrl+C. Copy all of these stuff to index. Okay, and then this is the stuff. After you refresh, so it will show this thing, it's error. So we need to configure it. So you can follow this one. Copy some old stuff. I need to work it. Another thing, no. Oh, okay. Just delete some stuff. This one you can use. I use delete it out. Use config app.name. This is will show the name of your project, or we can say web view. If it doesn't have, you can use app.name. And this one you can change in this. This is the app name. App name you can change it to web view. Web view command. Save it out. Check it how it works. Okay, this one just change the name. And another stuff, so we need to correct the link. So our stuff in here, so we need to write this one as set bracket close it back, and our directory vendor slash. This is the correct path. Now this one you can check in plugin font awesome free. Okay, this one ca and min all.min.cs. This is the correct directory, so you need to write in the correct place. So I copy it out from this, all of the directory href or the link. So just copy it out. Copy it out, change it, the link. Okay, this one I also change. This one also. If you don't want to use, this is the image as your logo. This is the user. You can skip this one, but I just show you how to do it with the image. Also use this one to point the correct directory. We can skip it out to the last one. Yeah, this one, the JavaScript directory. Just put this one also. Yes, all of this. And this one we can change it. Okay, just to web view command. Okay, and we can try it. Okay, this one also use backslash to our home directory. So you can refresh our page. Here we go. We can install our adminLTE, but it's not nice yet. We need to this one. Okay, this one also. It doesn't know the image as the logo, so I just figure out. Okay, we can refresh this one. Here we go, we configure it. So now we install it successfully with the static template of the adminLTE with Laravel, but it's not the final yet. I will show you how to separate the file to be easy to configure it later. So I divide it. This is the adminLTE template structure. So the top menu, top navbar, I put this the number one is the first. I divide it into 5 that make you easy to configure it out. So the second one is left menu or left sidebar, and the middle one is the main content, the body that whole other page, other main stuff. So the right one is the 4 is the right menu or right sidebar, and the last one is footer. This is the template structure of adminLTE. So I will follow this one to configure it out. So I create it in resource footer and go to view. I create layout footer and create new file. It's called app.let.php. This is the domain. I will copy from index and I create another file. You can copy from index. So I cut it out to app, and then this one we need to extend okay, and we need to point out the directory of that app. So this is the session, okay, session content this one. It just show out the welcome. Okay, so test it out, it's working or not. Refresh the page. Okay, it's still working. Now we have changed already, and then we separate the file, because you can see it's so messy to manage. So we need to divide it. Which one is the top? The first one called is top menu .let.php. I call this one top menu, and the second one last menu. Okay, I create another file called last menu.let.php. and another file is write menu dot blend dot php, and the last one is footer dot blend dot php. So I have totally five files divided. So let's check it out. Which one is the top menu? I think this one from Naba. This one is the top menu, so I cut it out. Separate the file. Top menu. Okay, from now we cut it out and go to top menu and pass this one. Just save it, and this is the right sidebar, the left menu. So I cut it out also. Cut it from this one, go to left and pass it out. Can check it. And this one, the body of this is the answer, the link, breadcrumb. This is the main body, and this one, it is the right sidebar. So I cut from this part, go to right menu, save it, and the last one is footer. Cut it out and go to footer and pass it. Okay, after you pass it, and then you need to, it's a lot of stuff, so I need to remove some stuff from this one. Okay, remove it out, the row. Okay, make it easy to check in. So this is okay. I can put it first. Top menu. Yes, sorry. Control wait slash. No. Why is not control wait slash? Gosh. I need to comment it out. Control forward slash. Okay. And then to left menu. Okay, control wait slash. So in wrapper body wrapper, so I list down the thing in 3 main content. I call it body. So control forward slash. This is the main content in wrapper content wrapper class, and this one number 4 right menu. Just put the location of each one, and another last one is footer. Just comment it out. Okay, after that I will include, we can use in PHP, we use this command include. Okay, and then we use directory layout dot top. menu. We just link it out to the place we link from this file. So we separate the file and then link it back to the position that we copied. This also we can use the same, include layout dot left menu. Oh sorry, I forgot n. Okay, this one the same, we didn't separate it for the body. And the right menu we need to include it back. So layout dot right menu, and the last one include layout on footer. Okay, we don't need to use the file with the footer.blade.php. The Laravel it can know it. We just use the include syntax. It is the blade template engine. So just check it out. And the blade, then we run it. It's no or not. Yes, it no. Just start template. So I just config a little bit. So this one we use session. We use session in here. So I cut this one to the index. So this one, this line, pass it out. Okay, and this one. Okay, I delete something because so messy. Something here also. Okay, look more clean than before. And this one we use session. We use okay, let me check. Can use this one, main content. We use content class and jail. Okay, just copy it. Can write for me. You can write, but I have it already. Just copy and pass it out. We use section. This is we replace each of content with this one. So in this one, this is the second content section content. So all of this it will replace in here. It know the name of this one, this content, their content. So I just this one we can write one class contain. Okay, just copy it out. I already have this one. The way that we use in session. This one, pass it out. So okay, so everything can just change this one to welcome. Okay, this one welcome. Okay, use this one. Okay, let's check it out in starter page. Here we go. Finally, we can install adminLTE with Laravel 8 successfully. So this is the link. You can put everything, another thing that you want. So this one I can change this one more to version 1.0.0. Okay, we refresh it and check it out. Here we go. You can change it. Oh, sorry. And totally, we did it, everything. So I just review a little bit first. Before we install adminLTE to Laravel, we need to install Laravel first, and then we copy this folder and plug in to the public folder. After that, we create another folder in resource view and layout folder, and we create all of these things. App folder is contain the main. It's like the master page in ASP.NET. So this is the template, the link CS file from awesome. This is the CS file link for adminLTE, and this is the structure how adminLTE do it. First, top menu, the second place is last menu, and the third place is body main content that we refresh other page in here. And this one, the right menu, the right sidebar that you can click here. This is the right sidebar. This is the left menu, and this one the top menu, and this one the footer, and the last one footer, and this one the link for JavaScript from adminLTE. So we list down first the jQuery min.js, and then bootstrap bundle min.js, and the last one admin lte.min.js. This is you need to follow, and we create another file for index that we test it. So this one, the title here that reflects in the body, this one. Or you can test another link. For example, you create another file called test.blad.php, and we just copy out on the index page just here, and then you can call it test. So you can go to route and copy another route. You create this link. Okay, you can put its last test and point it out to test. You can test it. Okay, I just name it test. You can see this one, it will replace the test folder in test folder. Yes, this one is test. You can rename it to test. Testing. Okay. Yes, it's good, very nice. Now Thank you for your valuable time to watching my video, and please help to subscribe and like our channel if to correct me for create another video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, everyone. See you next time.